Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to remove the sidebar from Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser loads up and you can see your main browsing window, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a menu icon there represented by three horizontal lines, similar to what you might see in other browsers. This is your main menu button that gives you access to all of Brave's settings and features. Go ahead and click on this icon to open the menu. When you click on those three horizontal lines, a drop-down menu will appear on your screen. This menu contains various options and settings for customizing your Brave browsing experience. Take a moment to look through the menu options that are now displayed. You'll see several different categories and features listed vertically down the menu. Now, as you're looking through this menu, you need to find the option labeled Sidebar. Scroll down if necessary until you locate it. The Sidebar option controls the visibility of the additional panel in your browser, and it's what we need to adjust to remove it from view. Once you've found the sidebar option in the menu, look directly to the right of where it says Sidebar. Right beside it, you'll see a button or option that currently shows its status. Click on Off to disable the sidebar feature. After you click off, the sidebar will immediately disappear from your Brave browser window. The change happens instantly, so you don't need to refresh your browser or restart the application. Your browsing window will now have more space, and the sidebar panel will no longer be visible on your screen. This gives you a cleaner, more streamlined browsing experience with the full width of your browser window available for viewing web pages. And that's it. You've successfully removed the sidebar from your Brave browser, giving you more screen space for your browsing activities. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.